First, unbox your fixture and take the anchor rods out of the parts box. Now screw the anchor rods into the pre-installed cage nuts. Next, you will install the trim, including the flush valve push button supplied with the flush valve that is sold separately. You're now ready to connect any through-wall plumbing connections, including any couplings, pipe nipples, and tubing. After this is complete, you are ready to slide the fixture into the security frame that is already embedded in the wall. We are now ready to go to the chase side to securely mount the fixture. The included backup plate will mount on the top 2 anchors and will use the smaller 2 washers. The remaining 4 anchors will use the larger washers that are included in the parts box. Next, you'll connect the flexible tubing to the pneumatic valve as shown. All remaining plumbing connections must be connected according to your local and regional plumbing codes. That completes this guide on how to install Metcraft Combination Fixtures. Thanks for watching.